Hey everybody, Dominic with Horsepower Honda here. Going to be showing you a new addition to our pre-owned inventory. This is an 18 horsepower, 20-inch long shaft, 4-stroke Nissan Outboard engine. This engine does come with a 3-gallon fuel cell. And let me go ahead and start it for you. Motor fires right up. If you have any particular questions on this machine, feel free to give us a call at Forest Park Honda, Erie, PA. Phone number is 814-833-3051, extension 170. My name's Dominic. Give us a call on this one.